You see, having more VCF or WhatsApp views is one of the things that people or most people dream of. Alright, but today I just decided to create a solution or to show you the solution to getting more WhatsApp views. So recently, as you heard about WhatsApp or Meta community said that they are going to be, you know, bringing in WhatsApp ads. I mean, people might start earning, channels or still, yeah. But for the people who are going to earn with these channels and other stuffs, or maybe in anywhere the WhatsApp ads will be placed, they need to be having audience, because if there is no audience, there is no earning money. But actually, that is not the main case for this video, because having more WhatsApp views, you can also take your business to another level. Might it be, online business, physical business, whichever the case, you need people to view your business. And that is one of the things that most of the people, you know, dream of. And today I present you a software that creates VCF, and VCF is all the abbreviation of VCF is virtual contact file. It means that VCFs is a file that has a lot of contacts, you see. And most of the people wonder, oh, do I create a VCF and then get people upload their contacts in that VCF? And that's why I created this video, show you a complete guide on how to create your own VCF using this software or using this website. The website goes by the name viewsincrease.com. So as you have known, most of the people who are watching this video, I know you have interacted with this website. You might have seen a link that like viewsincrease.com, then a certain long URL. So yeah, this is the website, and I want to show you how to create your own VCF. And just to mention before we get started, I am the guy who created the website here, and that's why I'm always in this channel to give you a complete guide on how to use. It's just like a documentation on how to use to create your own VCF. So I hope I'm going to give a completely something that is helpful for you guys. So without much wasting time, let's get started. So I want to go back to the landing page. Landing page means let me show you the landing page. Yeah? So here we go. All right, this is the landing page. If you search viewsincrease.com, you'll be taken to this website. That is the first page of the website. And I haven't been updating the website for so long because I'm always held up with creating other softwares. But as I promised, I'm going to put more features on this website. So just stay tuned. As your developers, I'm not going to fail you. This part for this section for pricing, it will be I'm going to put automation for the Kenyans, then following worldwide, where people can also get to have some premium stuffs from this software. Yeah, so let's get started. The first thing to do is that when you land to this page, that is the first page, you'll be able to see these two buttons, that is get started and login. So since it's the first time, let's imagine it's your first time visiting this website. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this button, and that is let me just show you with the you know let me show you with the cursor. At the same time I'm holding the mic, and I'm also trying to use one hand to able to illustrate with the cursor, so you have to understand me. So yeah, we have this button that is get started. So let me just click it, and we see where it takes us. It will take us to. So yes, since it's the first time, you're going to create your account here. So username, remember username, no sep no no it's just one name. Username is just one name. If it's John, it's John. but try to use a username that is not taken. If username is already taken, our system will be able to detect it, and it will tell you, say that username or email is taken. So try, if you're called John, maybe you can just use John 234, John 244, something like that. That is a, you are sure that username is not taken, because in our system we have over 100,000 people usernames. So 100, over 100,000 people are using this website, that are users who have registered to this website, and over 1 million users have visited this website. So from our Google Analytic, you can research on that. So that's why I'm saying you choose a different username. Also put a valid email. And since this is automated software, it will be able to detect your a country where you are browsing from, and your country name will be auto-populated automatic. So no need to choose your country name. But if you're using something like VPN, you will need to change your country name, because if you are living like in Tanzania or Uganda, then you're using VPN that states that you are in USA, you have to change it so that it will be able to pick and give the correct credentials for this one. So yes, you'll also be required to put your number, and don't start with zero. So, and also don't repeat the country code. Yeah, a simple start. If you are from Kenya, let's say the Kenyan's number start with 07, automatically it will remove the zero. So you have to start like 7. If your number, like if you put any zero, the zero is automatically removed. That's how I designed the system, so that we prevent people, a lot of people may repeat the same thing. But as well, if even if you inspect the website, then you try to change the JavaScript code, still the backend system will be able to remove the zero. That's how I designed the system. Yeah, so even if you start with 07, still the logic behind will be able to remove the zero, so that it stores your number in clean format. Yeah, so again, here we have password and confirm password. You know that. So since I had already created an account, just a testing account, I wanted to show you with. So let me just proceed to the login part. So I just click this part, then I'll be taken to page that is a login page. And since already my browser had saved my credentials, so I'll just continue with the login here. But let me just, some people do forget about their passwords, and if it happens one day you forget about your password, we have a good system here which you can reset your password here by just putting your email. That's why I always recommend using a valid email, because reset something to, reset link will be sent to your email. But it's rare for people to forget their password nowadays, because you can just store, like I did here. I just stored my password and username with my browser here. So simple as that. So I just click login, since I have all my details auto populated. All right, then I'll be directed to dashboard, and you see a very, very clean dashboard. You see, guys? Yeah. So let me just start by, I'll just talk about these buttons, since the other things, there is not nothing else in this in this page. But you're not seeing more things in this page. That's because it's our first time we just created this account. So the same case will happen to your side. If you created an account the first time, you'll be able to see this. And before I touch on this button that is create VCF, let me touch on this see more VCF. And again, just to speak something little on this, join us on Telegram. That is just a button will be directed to Telegram. You can join our community where I always send an update in case I do any update to this website. So in case I add any new feature, I'm the first place to send the or to send the message of what I added is on Telegram. And Telegram channels can hold, can hold up to millions of users. rather than using our WhatsApp group. That's why I always prefer the Telegram channel. So make sure you join that Telegram channel and join our community there. So back to this button, see more VCFs. This is one of the coolest button, and some of the, one of the coolest features I've ever added to this website. So let's see how it looks like. All right. So you see here we have a lot of groups, and these groups are groups that have been created by our users in this website. And you see these are new groups. It means that they are being created today. And you see like group like this one, it was created by the guy called King 10 254, and it has like over, right now it has 87 plus members. Another one here called Mess. We have another Summer GR8, a lot of VCF. We also have great VCF that have ever been created here. They're all VCF. So we have a lot of VCF that have been created. We also try to our best to censor some VCF, because a lot of VCF are created on this website, but we try to pick the best of the best VCF so that we display them here. So we are using a very great algorithm behind that. It's able to pick all groups that are out the certain limit and their performance. If the group is getting more uploads, of definitely it will be the first thing here. It will be the first thing. I mean, from here it will be the first group, like this one. This group is growing very fast, as you can see from this, just a little notification or little something there saying growing very fast. So, and they are new. So yeah, so I'll not stay here much on this page. Let's go back to the page for that is the dashboard page. All right, back to this button. This button is the create VCF button. This is the main button of this, makes things get started. So let's click it. All right, you see here. So this is the part where you'll be able to create your own VCF and able to make people upload their, you'll be able to create your own VCF and then get a link, and that link you can share with other people's, people from Facebook, Discord groups, that is WhatsApp groups, and more areas, made from X, everywhere. You can share with people, upload they can upload their contacts, and later on they can also get the VCA from the same website, or you can send them to their, I mean, if it's more so we deal with the WhatsApp groups. So if you have a large community, you can create your own VCF, then you send the VCF. If the VCF is ready, it hits your, the limit you wanted people, then you just send it to your people in the group. So let me just create just a test mode, test VCF, test VC. So there we go. So that is the name of the VCF. We call it VCF bundle name. So give your contact bundle description name. So yeah, you can just give it whatever you want. So we have this one. This part I activated it. Day before I had disabled it, but I decided to get it back because a lot of people requested for it. So as you can see here, this part, contact suffix, it means that it's just an extension. If the user, let's say the user saves his or a number like Jane, then Jane will have another extension like Jane VCF 2024 2025. So but you can choose to put an emoji, so anything can work. I can just put something like great, or no, just put something like GG, that one. So yeah, so we have the days to release the VCF. So these are days the VCF will be taking, the days that people will be allowed to upload their contacts. Then after that, the VCF, you will close the VCF and give the VCF to the people, might be in the group anywhere you can send it. Telegram channel, you send it there. So you can just leave it by default, that is 10 period days. So again, here, the number of the people, the maximum number of the people you want to be in this VCF. It's not a must that you hit the targets, but you can choose to put it there. So then this is the one of the areas that I always advise people to make sure they are putting something. And this is the WhatsApp group link. So in case you don't put something here, already I've designed, we will be able to, we just put our own links as a system. We just put our own links. So, and this is one of the part that is very crucial. Make sure you put something in your WhatsApp link here, because people can also join your WhatsApp group, and we'll get, you don't need to keep sharing your group link, because our system has a lot of users in daily basis, so they will be able to get in touch with their and join your group. So that's how we go about it. So I'm not sure what I'm going to put, but let me just copy this. Let me see whether it will work. All right, sorry. So I think I have all the inputs filled. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, so again, you can see something here. This bundle or this VCF will include 11 default contacts. These are premium contacts. So people have subscribed to have their number automated to every VCF will ever be created in our system. And that is the part I'm also designing to automate it in each and every country, so people can pay and the number gets automated, or yeah, they get into the partnership. So right, but that one I'll talk more about it maybe later. Today let me show you how to create your own VCF. I'm just making sure everything is created well, and let's also keep checking whether we are still recording. All right, now it's the time to create the VCF. I think here everything it's well. So here is the main part where people, and I always want people to get how to create the VCF. It's very simple. I tried my best to create a very, very, very simplified website ever. I don't think there is ever a website that creates VCF that is this kind of same, as a very easy navigation. Anyone can understand it, even if you are just a new person. So all right, let's just click this button, then we check how things are going to go about it. So I'm on a desktop here, so that's why you see it. Maybe most of the people I know, they are using their phone, so it will have a responsive mode for your phone. All right, let's see. This is the name of the VCF, the number of the contacts that are in that VCF. As I told you, by default, we have 11 contacts, and those contacts are premium. So it means the 11 people are paid for their number to be included. You can also do well. You can also you can also do the same, but you have to get in contact with me so that I can add you. The meantime, before we automate the system. Yeah, so we have this button upload, and also you can view the VCF. So again, we have this copy link and this part for the share. Eh, we have the export part. You can download this one. This is the button for the main VCF. You can download it. You can download the PDF if you want to check the PDF, or if you want to check the numbers in that VCF, but those numbers will be displayed in a PDF, right? So this one, not that much, but it's just a CSV file. If you want to use some Excel and other stuff, it can be easier for you if you want to arrange those numbers in other something and format your VCF. So we have managed, so you can delete, you can edit the VCF contacts, you can edit the VCF details. In case you want to change the VCF name, you can as well do that. You can combine the VCFs, and this is one of the features also included just like 3 months ago. So we also have QR codes, but I don't know. It's just a fancy thing here. So no, most of the people don't use this QR code, but they combine VCF. If you have like another admin from anywhere else, so you can just tell him, yes, bring your VCF, I bring mine, we combine, we have a one great VCF. So yeah. So now I know you're asking yourself, how do I get people to upload their numbers to this VCF? Will I be giving them my, like my account details, login? No, of course, no. No, that is a no. So what you're going to do is that you just come here. You can copy this link. And as you can see, we have a very good alert there showing you copied the link, right? So when you copy this link, this is the link you're going to send to your people wherever they are, maybe on a Facebook group or WhatsApp group, anywhere else. So the thing is that they get the VCF link. So yeah, so let's say we come and paste it here, right? Let me turn on. I'm just using a new Chrome tab. So yeah, let me come and paste the link here. That's how the link looks like. I know most of the people have encountered this link. So yeah, we check it out. Right. So we have an ad here. So we just cancel it. So here we have the members. You can download the check you can download the PDF. This is a PDF. Will be anyone can download this PDF. You can check their name there. So here is the part now. You can people will see, these are the your strangers, your people in the group will see the page. But I know most of the people have seen this page. So you just come here, you upload your contact, you do your thing, your country code, it will be selected automatically. Currently I'm in Kenya, so you see how it got selected. So again, we have this part for the number, then you agree to terms and condition, then you upload your number there and automatically it will be uploaded. All right, so that's how the people will see your contacts. So again, people, they have the chance, in case they make a mistake when they are uploading the contacts, they can just come and click here and then they search their number or name, then they edit it. So I'll be showing that later in another video. So yeah, and let's upload just one contact. No, I don't want this video to be that so long. So let's say my name is John, and John is from Kenya, right? Yes, John is from Kenya. Uh-huh. Yeah, we are still recording. John is from Kenya. So if you put something like zero, the zero will be removed automatically. So nothing is happening. So I just, put a number there. Just, I'll delete this one because it's just a test mode number. This is not a real number. Yeah. So, and since I have confirmed everything is okay, I'll just click upload the contacts and let's see. Now you have been verified. Wow. You heard the sound? Now you have been verified. All right. So that's cool. Got it. So let's see the members. Automatically it refreshed the website and we have 12 members here. So that's cool. Right. Yeah. And that's let's go back to our dashboard and see whether, let's refresh it, and there we have 12 members. You can view you can view the people who are in the VCF, and if you want to view, just come here, see this how they appear. As you can see, we have the suffix I talked about when we are creating the VCF. It was GG. Yeah, GG, Yeah, so we have the new contact that we've just saved here. So that's how the contacts will be saved. They will be combined with their name and every. That's how the thing works. Simple and clear. So yeah, but I will be talking about the new updates. We have a lot of things we haven't touched on, and I'll be able to show you how to combine the VCS and a lot more. But that is in the next video. So just stay tuned. The thing you have to do is you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that you don't miss any video I'll ever upload on this channel. And most of the things I'll also be uploading some tech videos. I'm a software engineer, so I'll be trying. People are interested in some stuff to do with coding, AI learning, and a lot more in the tech space. The tech space is big, so just stay tuned, and I'll be uploading more content here. And for the business people, in case you need any website, we can create you a very good website. Might be portfolio, might be e-commerce, might be startup. Startup, any startup. So anything, just get in touch with me, leave a comment. I'll respond to all the comments, and I will try my best to be uploading more content on this channel. Peace, guys. So with that, with all, the video was long, but I'll be uploading another another one, just touching on this stuff. Or to combine VCF, and also I'll also update the other area for pricing, and people want their number to be automated, but the automation still works. So you can also comment if you want your number to be automated. You can also comment there, and I leave the link to the link where you can contact me. Yeah, and but one thing to state, that the automation, there is a price for the automation. Your number to be can be in quarterly, monthly, yearly, all those stuffs. So, but when you DM me, I'll be able to give you the whole quotation of it. So, have a nice day, guys.